10 months ago, JCB sent me a whole stack of new power tools to use in my life as an electrician. Now, these power tools, when I first looked at them, I was seriously impressed about the build quality. They really have come on leaps and bounds. So, not only are these great value, they're also seriously industrial as well. Have been performing so well. I've had incidences where they've been dropped off ladders, off scaffolding, and yet they still keep going. The three tools I use daily are this combi drill, the impact driver, and this amazing little multi-tool as well. So the battery performance has been excellent. I've had no issues at all. I don't seem to be seeing any degeneration in the batteries or shortness of life. There's a little bit of weight difference in these two batteries, not a massive amount, but what I do like about this small battery is just the fact that it just makes the whole thing just a little bit more compact when you just need to get into a sort of a tight space or whatever. JCB also sent me a selection of impact driver bits. They sent me a selection of multi-tool bits as well. So I had a fair bit of wear, but they're still sharp. And combi drill. The combi drill has performed really well. Very good hammer action on there. And also we've got the screwdriver. Torque setting, forward and reverse, 2-speed, soft grip, metal chuck, very industrial. This has been dropped off a scaffolding. I can show you that still works just as well. So yeah, looking a little bit battered, but still performing great. So if you're looking for power tools, exceptional value, strong, I've proved that these tools work exceptionally well and are just great value for money. But why don't you take a look at these power tools from JCB?